With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, a block of negligible size and mass 2 kg is placed above a plank of mass 4 kg and the length 16 meter as shown in figure. So this is the box 1. Here block 4 kg of mass 4 kg and this is of 2 kg and force is applied 44 Newton here and this is 16 meter and the ground is smooth and the coefficient of friction between the upper and lower block is 0.2. Find the time after which the upper block will fall over. So we have to find the time this block will fall over here. So we have A, B, C, D option is given. So we have to find which option is correct here. So the solution of this question is maximum, F maximum such that blocks move together. So our F max is equals to, so we can write here mu into M plus M and this is in multiplication with G. So we can write here capital M is, here we have mass is 4 and M is 2 and G is 10 here and coefficient of friction is given to us. This is 0.2. So if we put the value, so we get F max so that the both block moves together. So this is for moves together here. So from this we can write here this is mu, this is 0.2 and this is 6 here and this is in multiplication with 6 and this is 2 and from this we get F maximum is equals to 12 Newton here and we have block will slip over each other after. So this will equals to acceleration here. So acceleration is velocity v is divided by that is 2 kg here. So we can write here according to A divided by B. So this is equals to 2 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration. After that they will slip over. So according to 2 kg and according to 4 kg we can write here acceleration according to 4 kg. So this is 44 minus 1 minus 4 and this is divided by 4 here. So we get this is 10 meter per second square. So this is due to 2 kg and this is due to 4 kg here. So now we can find the relative. We have to find here relative lower block. So relative to lower block. So we can write here acceleration due to relative. So this is acceleration 2 kg. So this is relative is 10 minus 2. So we get 8 m meter per second square here. So the time for falling is time for falling over. So this is equals to 1 and this is divided by 228 t square and this is equals to 16. So from this we can write here t square is equals to t square is 16 divided by 28 and this is divided by 1 here. So from this we get t is equals to 2 seconds here. So after that the block will slip over here. So we check which option is correct here. So our option B is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.